Fushi, meaning eternal life, began with the combined cultural heritage of myself, Ria, and my husband, Rannesh. We were inspired by Ayurvedic family recipes handed down by our parents and grandparents who made fresh juices and infused oils with homegrown herbs to create natural remedies for our health and beauty. So here at Fushi, we hand blend our fresh pressed oils, our fresh ground herbs in our London workshop using only the purest, ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients from this season's harvest to ensure optimal freshness and efficacy for award-winning health and beauty products. Our vision is to bring Ayurvedic-inspired well-being and wisdom into everyone's lives by creating products that positively impact their health and shine a light on the incredible benefits of using natural oils and herbs for your beauty. And our team is passionate about being earth-friendly. It comes so naturally to us. We are constantly looking for ways to improve everything we do to ensure we have as light a footprint as possible. We are certified organic by the Soil Association. We have a 100% ethical rating by the Good Shopping Guide, cruelty-free by Leaping Bunny. We are vegetarian and vegan friendly, and we use glass bottles with aluminium lids. We reuse our cartons, and our packaging is all recyclable. We recycle everything we can to aim for 100% earth-friendly production. Fushi, no hype, just honesty.